Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we got some sad news about the BMW. So we're going to be giving the BMW back to my brother so he can use that as he sold his Z4. So we'll be getting this new mystery car coming through soon. So I'll show there'll be a video coming out on that. Anyway, so yeah, the BMW is going to go to my brother, and we'll see the mystery car coming up soon. Cue the sad music. I will give it a clean before I give it back to him. That's the end of Project Bimmer. I will probably have to do an oil change on it before I give it to him anyway, because that's the kind of brother I am. Anyway guys, that's the video. My brother's going to be getting the Bimmer back, so it's going to a good home. Anyway, it's a bit sad, but like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember guys, if cabbage can, you can too.